Brad from Cinco Ranch has squeaky floors.
Well, his parents got flooded when, and they put some floors down, and it's not been good. Brad writes, the problem is they make a cracking noise, squeaking noise when you walk on them. It's prefab wood stapled down to the plywood, and the installer said they could put baby powder all over it to fix the problem.
Achoo!
Yeah.
Achoo!
Brad wants to know,
about
Tom,
that.
is it possible these were not installed properly in the first place?
The old baby powder fix goes way, way back to old floors, and that's not something you would want to put in a brand new home.
Well, back up a second. I want to know this baby powder fix.
Well,
I got a squeak in my car. Can I use baby powder on that?
It depends what it is. If it's wood,
I don't think
some people put it in their hair and they don't have to shampoo.
In the construction
but
of
I'm
my
not a
car,
hair expert.
So that's out. All right.
Okay.
So what is that? I mean, what does the baby powder
It lubricates. It actually is a little bit of lubrication between the wood that comes together.
Okay.
So it stops the creaking. But I think this is a little more extreme than that. I think when they stapled the wood floor to the wood subfloor, they did not use glue on the subfloor when they first put it down. And secondly, they did not use some kind of barrier, which would have been a rosin paper or even a tar paper between the two woods. So what they're doing is they're just rubbing against one another and creaking and cracking like crazy. So I don't think baby powder is going to be a fix for this. And I would not spread baby powder throughout the house. I don't know how healthy that really is. You have this issue now with talcum and things happening with people. So it's not something I would just spread all over and say, oh, look, we fixed it, because that's not a fix.
So what is the fix?
I don't know without seeing it, but I have a feeling the subfloor was not glued down to the concrete. They just nailed it. And I think it's moving a little bit, and it's making that cracking noise because the wood's cracking between itself. It was not really attached well.
What is that paper you put between the floor?
Rosin paper?
Yeah.
All it does is separate one wood from another so it doesn't squeak.
Would that help it at all?
Well, if it's cracking, it's different.
Okay.
If it's squeaking, geek, 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 that's when the wood rubs together. So if you're having a combination of both, it could be a little bit of both. I have a feeling they didn't glue the subfloor to the concrete.
Tom Tunnan, the floor whisperer.
Yes, but no talcum powder.
Okay. Got a question? Send it to us, would you, at HomeShowRadio.com. Keeps us out of trouble, helps you. You can see our videos over here. And, of course, we'd love it if you'd subscribe to our channel.